Armstrong made cars look insane. He does insane work. He revived accidented cars, destroyed cars, and that's a good one to the environment. He's at least bringing new cars, like bringing old cars back to life. But here's something you don't know. He's secretly destroying these cars. You're shocked. For those of you who don't know Matt Armstrong is a supercar engineer who specifically varies or works on accidented, flood damaged cars, cars which are destroyed, which people look as written off, they don't want to buy or repair. He endures in these challenges so he can bring them back to life, create content with them, and at the end of the day, own these cars. Now, here's one reason why I think he's destroying these cars. He does modification to it. I would say, if peradventure you are to create these cars, to revive these cars, why then don't you just revive them normally without modification? But he goes on to do modification to them, putting side wide body kits, putting upgraded headlight, putting different upgrade to it so that it would have more power, aesthetically pleasing, and more speed. Yeah. But like I said, if you are to revive these cars, why don't you just do it the right way, get the parts, the different parts from the right cars, the right companies, and then build it, build it up to taste. When you are done with it, you then hit the company and say, oh, I want my car to be checked, I want it to go through test if it's now back to roadworthy or not. But after those modifications, you can't do those things. Yeah. And cutting off a body panel, a car body panel, you have already ruined the car. Yeah. So, two is, I think, these are my opinions, guys. I think it's best you give it to the car companies to repair the car for you, because at the end of the day, aftermarket or third parties engineers are not rated, and so the warranty of that car is gone. You can't take that car back to the company. Yeah, except you are certified like him. Yeah, there are some companies which called him back, like that of the Rashford Rolls Royce. If you have watched that, like that of the Rashford Rolls Royce, you see that they were interested in the build. They want to know, like they want to assist and wish of that. But the Bugatti was not happy with that. That's something else. The Bugatti was not happy with that. And he encountered a lot of disadvantage because a lot of challenges. Some cars company don't want to send their parts to him. He then just finds some parts online, use the code on the part and use the code number and the parts number and order something online. You don't know that which you are ordering, you don't know how good it is. What mass? I don't mean this for any bad word. I love your content, man. I love your content so much. And also this gives a lot of people another bad thing. This gives a lot of people this, what is it called? Assurance that they can get a flooded car, a damaged car, an accidented car, and then try to go on the challenge by themselves, preparing to themselves to save costs. I know a lot of people want to save costs, that's human thing, not to be talk of now the war is going on, a lot of crises, that a lot of things is going down. Yeah. So people are finding way to save costs because things are increasing on the high side and everyone want to own a supercar. Why won't I buy an accidented car? I want to build it myself. Yeah. So that's another thing that will bring a lot of the good thing is it will bring a lot of cars out from damage, but it will definitely bring them back to the road, which are not 100% safe compared to a car which was gotten running well and in order. I hope you get that. Another reason is people don't want to buy these cars. They are not trusted enough. But the good thing is he is a big personality, a big name in this industry. So a lot of people want to buy cars which he repaired, and a lot of people want to give him cars to repair for them. Yeah. So those are my points and my reasons why I think. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think in the comments? Let me know. This is a controversial topic. Guys, this is my point. These are my points. Do not come for me. Just subscribe, like the video. You can tell me what you think in the comment section. But now it's gonna be all for today. See you tomorrow. I love you guys. I'm enjoying this my daily run. I think this is the third day. Yeah, so I'll try to keep up with it and see how far I can go with this. I'm not impressed with the views yet, with the numbers, but I'll keep up with it. See you guys in the next one. I'm still trying to find myself. I'm still trying to find what I can do in the car niche. Yeah. So, but for now, it's out, guys.